If you're new to photography and are looking for a beginner-friendly camera, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll list some of the best cameras for photography. But before we begin with the list, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on our recent videos. Without wasting any more time, here are some of the best cameras for photography. 1. Canon EOS R6. The Canon EOS R6 is a camera that is ideal for those who want to take high-quality images and video. Its 20-megapixel sensor can provide outstanding still shots. The Canon EOS R6 camera for photography is a fantastic camera with great features and a reasonable price. Its large, high-quality screen encourages creative shooting angles and makes it ideal for videography. It also features a 3.69 million EVF that works up to 120 frames per second. 2. Sony A7S III. The Sony A7S III is a new camera that comes with a hybrid AF system that features 759 phase detection points and 425 contrast detection points. This system allows you to adjust focus speed and sensitivity as needed. It also compensates for horizontal and vertical shifts and can be used with any lens. 3. Fujifilm X-T4. The Fujifilm X-T4 camera is the latest addition to the Fujifilm X series of cameras. This camera has a range of features that make it ideal for photographers. This camera performs well in low light and has excellent AF performance. It also offers outstanding color science and renders contrast and grain very well. In addition to this, the X-T4 lets you shoot in JPEG format and has several advanced options, such as adjusting contrast and grain. The Fujifilm X-T4 offers a fast shutter speed, which can help you freeze time and produce sharp shots of moving objects. The fast shutter speed allows you to take shots even in low-light conditions, which can be beneficial when photographing animals or people. The shutter speed also plays an important role in preserving the sharpness of the image, as it lets you get more exposure for the subject when the light is poor. In addition to the high shutter speed, the X-T4 has a high frames per second, which is useful when taking candid shots or during continuous shooting. 4. Canon EOS R7. The Canon EOS R7 is an APS-C camera that features a 32.5 megapixel CMOS sensor for amazing image quality. This camera also boasts high-speed autofocus and a 15 frames per second mechanical shutter. Its 1.6x crop factor enables you to take longer shots of faraway subjects. The R7 also offers excellent video quality in 1080p and 4K. 5. Sony A6100. The Sony A6100 has many features that make it a great camera for photographers. Its advanced 4D AF system, which incorporates artificial intelligence, can lock focus on the fastest moving subject in less than 0.2 seconds. It has 425 phase and contrast detection AF points, which are densely spread over 84% of the image area. It also has a real-time tracking feature, which uses a special object recognition algorithm and machine learning to keep track of your subject. The Sony A6100 is a full-featured camera that includes a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor. It also uses the same Bionz X processing engine as the Alpha N9. The camera is also able to shoot at up to 11 frames per second. 6. Hasselblad X1D-50C. The Hasselblad X1D-50C camera offers a variety of advantages over its predecessor. Its image sensor produces images with superior resolution, and the Hasselblad Natural Color Solution technology improves the image quality. The camera also offers tethered shooting with the iPad Pro and iPad Air 2019. You can now take raw images and edit them on your iPad. The camera's interface is easy to use. The X1D has 5 buttons and a control dial on the right side of the camera. If you've never used a Hasselblad camera, you may be confused about how each button functions. The top button allows you to play back images. The next button allows you to switch playback views. The X1D-50C can take RAW and JPEG images. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.